Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now, boy, do we have a video today. We are going to be talking about the one, the only Snapchat. As of right now, this stock has plummeted 32% and is continuing to sell off. Now, we are going to be breaking down what's going on, answering that main question of, is now the best time to invest in it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market. So I'm heavily invested into a lot of stocks. I'm very devoted for investing, trading, money management. So like and subscribe. Do what you guys do. I appreciate every single one of you. So let's dive into this, guys. So what is going on with Snapchat? Well, looking at the chart, right, you guys will say, well, Carter, lately, this thing has had an amazing move. It's gone from $8 all the way up to $17 in the matter of about 1, 2, 3, 4 months, which is an incredible move, beating the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, during the past couple of months. Now, as we look at the chart, today, you guys will see this thing just got crushed. You guys will see it went from $18 all the way back down to $11, which is an astonishing move for a stock that was trading, and actually doing relatively decent, right? Look at that upward trend, heavy support, heavy resistance, it was starting to pan out. Now, today, they did announce something. They announced something called an earnings report. This is when the company comes out and they give you all the details. They give you the revenue, the cash flow, and pretty much everything you must know. Lately, if you're looking to invest into Snapchat or if you're already invested in it. So as of right now, Snapchat, they released their fourth quarter and they didn't do very well. They missed their revenue and obviously it caused the stock to just get absolutely annihilated. You guys will see that the period ended, December 31st, increased 5% annually to about 1.36 billion, but fell short on expectations pretty much of 1.38 billion on Capital IQ. The stock slid, as of tonight, about 31%. So this is pretty much any time, a company releases earnings, Wall Street comes out and they say, hey, I'm expecting them to bring in this amount of money or that amount of money. And obviously they didn't do very well. As we continue to scroll down, you guys will see that the earnings, or pretty much their adjusted earnings of pretty much 8 cents a share, was down 43% from a year ago, but higher than the street's 0.6 view. Adjusted gross margin declined 9% points year over year to 55% in the fourth quarter. So obviously, anytime you have something like that, not a good sign. As we scroll down some more here, adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation fell to 159.1 million from 233.3 million. Daily active users increased 10% year over year to 414 million. Actually, that's pretty good. You always want daily active users. Now, as we continue to scroll down here, the company expects revenue of about 1.1 billion to about 1.14 in the first quarter, pretty much of this year. So anytime you guys have something like this where they're pretty much missing expectations, obviously this is going to cause the stock to plummet. As we look at like the monthly chart, you guys will see that this isn't a huge surprise to see the stock sell off. Snapchat, it's a growth stock. It's heavily volatile. It's risky. And a lot of people love to compare Snapchat to like Instagram and Facebook and even nowadays TikTok. But in my opinion, I think Snapchat will always be kind of subpar to them. Looking at some of the fundamentals like we already mentioned, as we scroll down here, that the revenue is up only 4%. It's not even it fell short of expectations. I just think that right now we're seeing all these companies heavily competitive for social media, and Snapchat's just not keeping up with that. I wouldn't be surprised if we see Snapchat get bought out in the future or something along those lines. It's just one of those stocks that's way too risky for me to invest. I don't own any shares. Look at the chart. It goes up and down at rapid rates. Now, if you're looking to invest, and pretty much the best approach and mindset I would have is to try to get in near and around this support if you can. Near and around $8, I think Snapchat would be a relatively fair price to do a one lump sum investment. But a good strategy obviously would be to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is a great way to invest into growth stocks that maybe you see potential in, but dollar cost averaging, you have to plan, you have to believe in the stock for like 2 to 5 years for it to even be worth it. But for me, I just think Snapchat's way too risky of an investment. But that's what's going on with Snapchat. Not doing well, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, if you guys want to learn more about investing and trading, I do have a course. It's not even like a course. It's actually just like a school of people that actually want to learn and invest in themselves. So I'll put it down below. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. It's awesome. But guys, that's what's going on with Snapchat. Released earnings didn't perform like people thought, and especially with the overall rise of AI, there's so much, so many tech stocks getting hyped up, like Nvidia, and I just think that Tesla is, or Snapchat, not Tesla, isn't that stock, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Take care.